Let's do it. Operation sort Hannah's wardrobes and drawers out.
Come join me.
Oh, do I have to sit there?
Yeah. The dog's behind you.
I know, I haven't sat on him.
So... Hey guys, so today I'm here with my mum. Say hello.
Hi.
And today we're going to be Marie Kondoing my whole wardrobe. That's the folding method we're going to use. But if you don't know, it's a Netflix show on Netflix, and it's this woman called Marie Kondo, and she comes into your house and organises all your clothes with like this specific method. I can't remember the name of it. She uses a certain method, it's not her method. But we're going to be calling it the Marie Kondo method. Yeah, we've got a lot of clothes to go through, so let's just get started then. Yeah, the clasp on the bra doesn't work, but it makes my boobs look
so that
nice.
can go. Yeah, but if it's not working, then you replace it with something else.
To make my boobs look nicer, isn't that working?
So, Marie Kondo, am I allowed to show you knickers?
That's
They're
your
clean.
choice. Oh, great.
Folds knickers like this, in half, then in again, like that, and then you get the crotch bit,
That's so weird.
and you fold, and you fold, and you fold, until you end up with that. And then, well, if this was
matching,
I would go like that, fold that, and it sits in your little organiser.
a little IKEA organisers we got yesterday.
Like so.
Wow.
So shall I start doing that while you organise knickers and matching bras? Any that are threadbare and just look rotten, just get rid.
Rotten. And remember, we have to say thank you to the bras we throw away.
Yeah, oh, I didn't say thank you to that other one. You better get it off the floor. It's apparently bad luck if you don't thank the garment
Where'd you chuck it?
for its time in service. Holding
Time and service.
Yeah, holding up your knockers.
Little tartan bra.
Thank you. I
Thank
remember
you.
buying you.
Thank you for holding the titties. Thank you, bye.
What's going to happen?
It's going to come back to haunt you.
Oh, your boobs are going to droop if you don't thank the old bra.
How do you do bralettes then? That's a question.
My, what's a bralette? I bought a bralette. It was like a crop top.
Thank you,
as can
next.
see. Anna, this is ridiculous.
Got a lot of bras.
Thank you, next. So what
Well,
the hell is this?
That's another bralette top thing.
You sure people are going to want to watch this, Hannah?
They voted
Folding
for it.
knickers and stuff.
You say hello to everybody.
Oh, he's cleaning your car because of the crap.
Who?
That fella next door. Would you want to keep it in case of desperation?
What are they doing to my car?
They're cleaning it because they can see it's a bloody mess.
It got clean like last week. It's not a mess. This is the
Leggings in.
pile of underwear we're getting rid of so far. We said thank you, and now we must next.
Marie Kondo jean folding. Because your jeans are all stretched, they don't need ironing. So you literally fold them in half. You fold them in half like that. It's easier to do it if you're actually down on something. And fold them in again, like that. So you get that. And then you open your drawer and you stack them one behind the other.
What do we do with leggings then? Do we do the same?
Same. But with leggings, they don't really tend to stand up, so I just fold them on top of each other. One already
This is
here.
Holly's. I stole this off and she wants it back.
Can you film me folding it down, Hannah? Like that. And that is your jumper folded. Just like you do in the shops, really.
That's definitely a top.
Oh, it's going in there. Look at that. Nice and neat. Look at the size of it. Fits
No,
beautiful.
but you couldn't wear that as a jumper if you were you too thin.
So it can still go in that drawer. You don't need to hang that up, do you? It doesn't need pressing and hanging up. Next suitcase.
Thank you for your service. Sparks joy.
It sparks joy.
Thank you. Well, I've got a lot of winter stuff here. I don't
Peaky
want...
blinders. Peaky blinders.
Look how funky that looks.
Yeah, it is cute. So ear warmer, isn't it?
It's nice. Trendy.
Aye, for fashion. You asked me to be involved in your video. So Hannah, you face it front down.
I should have worn this jumper for the video. Thank you, next. We found some bras.
Last thing, if you were working at it would need to be ironed.
Yeah, true.
So that needs ironing.
Yeah.
You don't want to be hanging stuff like that up. Oh, go on then. Get it on a finger.
Most of my cute stuff is from Forever 21. It's like tied in the middle. I think it's really cute. Oh, I love this. This is like one of my favourite pieces in my wardrobe. It's from Hollister from literally like 3 years ago.
Hannah, I told you to throw these away ages ago. Liberties. Absolute liberties. Who said I could be your hot water bottle?
That's not even mine.
Like that.
That's Holly's.
That'd suit my skin.
This is a really cute little cardigan. It's from Primark and it's meant to be like really bobbly and stuff, but I think it's really cute.
Yeah, that's one of them. I'm feeling really poorly, my head's banging.
Yeah.
Make me a hot drink, I'm just gonna sit here and chill.
Yeah, my grandma with a hangover.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Mm.
Shit day cardigan.
I'm gonna have to download some bleep cell now to try and bleep that out.
Right, are you not allowed to swear on YouTube?
Yeah, but I mean...
Have you got kids watching this?
Some, maybe.
Oh my god, that Hannah's mum, she swears. Oh Felicity, you're not watching that again. Oh, what's this?
These are jackets.
They're boys' jackets. Can you not just give them back to them?
No! This one's a
Too big
bomber.
for you.
Yeah, that's the point. They look like oversized and cute.
Hannah, you can't go stealing all these coats,
No,
man.
they'll either give it me or they'll leave it at my house. I'm like, well, that's mine.
I'm presuming these are Andrew's.
Yeah. This is another play suit from Boohoo. Oh my god, has it got a pocket?
Are you kidding?
I swear
You
to God,
didn't
I
know?
never knew that had pockets in my whole life. See, with this one, I've actually never wore it and it's literally still got the label on it, but I want to wear it. This is a really nice skirt from my bandage dress. It's like really, really tight fabric. This is one of my favourite tops, like ever.
You've had that from Morocco.
I love
If
it.
not
Yeah, I
before.
had it in Morocco. I love it. I think it's so nice. But yeah, this is from Forever 21. I love it. Most of my favourite clothes are from Forever 21.
New York City.
New York City, bitch! We just remembered that we've got another like 2 cases in my old room of more clothes. So I thought we were done. We're not done.
Some of this must be crap, Hannah.
I love these. These are gorgeous. It's a score from Primark.
I watched your YouTube videos this morning, by the way.
Which one?
I watched the food from when you were a kid. That was gross. It made me look really bad as a mother. Alright, come on, you need to start folding because this is just getting beyond a joke, Hannah. Holly, will you make us a cappuccino? Oh, go on, don't be tight. Working so hard in here. Right, well, if you don't do me this coffee, I shall not support your request to go to Manchester next week. And I mean that. I'm actually a little bit peckish, so I'll have a packet of crisps as well.
Bring us the banana bread.
Oh yeah, I'll have banana bread, don't worry about the crisp. I want a nice decaf cappuccino with 1 Splendor in it, please. Stirred very well, no lumps. She won't go in clubbing, no way would she make that.
What do you want?
I want a decaf cappuccino.
You look like you've got a moustache.
Yeah, because they're dodgy fakes, haven't they?
You've got to be ruthless here, Hannah.
This is my school jumper.
You're keeping it for sentiment.
I mean, I hated school. I really hated school. Just to go with
This is
that.
painful. This is goddamn painful. A B cup is tiny in fairness. Even though you like to pretend you're a D.
They told me I was a D cup.
Who did?
People that measured me. Stop being a bully.
Mum's an E. There's no way Hannah's a D.
Yes, I am.
You want to be a D, you just wear a D and you float around in that D.
Am I going to have to censor that?
Thank you, Holly. I hope it's been stirred well.
You sure this isn't
bye.
out of date along with everything else in the house?
Holly, shut up, you. Don't you come in here slagging me off.
I'm not
Right?
slagging you.
I'll give you what for, child.
Banana bread with Hannah and Olivia.
I knew you were going to say my name then. I just knew she's going to say Olivia.
What's your name?
I got to Marie Kondo it.
Let's have a little break and a chit chat. What would you say I was like as a kid?
You were a very nice child.
Mm-hmm.
You were very easy, extremely clever, very
What
nice to
happened?
have around.
Better than Holly. Is that what you're trying to say?
No.
You've
I'm
said
not
I'm
saying
better than I was a better kid than Holly.
No, I was not saying you were a better kid than Holly, you were a better baby than Holly.
Yeah, same thing.
This went down really well in work the other day, by the way.
Good.
They all got eaten.
Why did it take us so long to get a dog? We got him when I was like 9 or 10. We asked for a dog for a while.
Because I felt like it had just been me.
Mm.
stuck looking after it if you were too young.
What would you say is the best thing about being a mum?
Having 2 unconditional friends.
Aww. What's the worst part?
The Kondo in your bedroom. If you hurt about something, we can't just give you a tablet to take it away. That's the worst part.
What would you say is a distinguishing part of my personality?
Your intelligence in some ways, but lack of it in another. Because sometimes I just think, wow, how does she know that? And other times I just think, are you kidding me? You know what I mean? Holly! You've not stirred it properly.
My dad's going to be putting up some stuff in the background.
Are you going to introduce it?
Yeah, Dad, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Hannah's dad.
We're going through the final case now. Pretty much the same thing as we've been doing the whole time, so I'm just going to zip through it and then get back to you with probably the finished, organised clothes. This is really nice. This is a play suit from Primark.
We've Marie Kondoed, and Hannah likes to have her stuff colour coordinated. So we folded some jackets away up here that are quite bulky. I think we could maybe stick another one in there. And this is all tops, mochcolumns, bodysuits, things like that. And there's a couple of jackets in there hiding away. We've got pants, well, jeans, leggings, couple of joggers, shorts, again with jumpers. But it's a little bit bulbous, but you can always go like that as you're closing it. I'm sure this will end up full at some point. And underwear, socks, PJs,
nice.
and bikinis and cover-ups for our holiday. And a couple of play suits, stroke cover-ups.
There's room for more bikinis in
There's
there.
room for more bikinis.
And then my washing basket's over there.
Yeah, a washing basket. I've had this since 1997.
I used to sit in it when I was little.
Yeah, you did. I used to use it as an ironing basket. Then it became your washing basket. I haven't really Kondoed really down here. It's just putting stuff away neatly. So scarves, no, they're just big scarves, shawls. I've put your school top under here that you're not overly fussed about, but you're keeping for kind of sentiment.
Yeah.
The outro.
Outro.
Yeah, so you say goodbye.
Bye. I'm not finished though.
So that is the end of the video with my mum. So that's taken us like what, 4 hours? 3, 4
Not
hours.
that long, is it?
It's like 4 o'clock now.
It's 5 o'clock. Probably nearing 3 hours.
Yeah, it's been a while. As you can see, we have a new addition to the wall behind us. We filled 3 bin bags worth of clothes, which, where's that going to?
The decent stuff's going to the charity shop.
Yeah.
The not so decent stuff
Going
to the tip.
So if you guys enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more with my mum, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, then please subscribe below. And yeah, below. What was that?
Subscribing.
Okay, I'm gonna end this here. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye. Cheers, mum.
Cheers.
Worked hard today. You didn't cheers me.
Because it's hiding my face.
Cheers.